Okay, so I'm going to start out about that dirty. And then it's about the same. It's kind of been soaking. And this is what kind of started brushing on it. Now this one I brushed most of it out. A couple spots needed touch, so I soaked them again. But this is where I cleaned it up. That looks pretty good. Let's see if we can do this one by hand. Let's hold the camera. As you can see, it comes up pretty well. Oh, that one really cleaned up good. And once we work a little more, that's good to go.